In this video, I'll show you how to log out of your Exodus Wallet app. First, open the Exodus app, then navigate to the tab located at the bottom right. Next, tap on Settings in the bottom left corner. From there, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find the Delete Wallet option. However, before proceeding, it's very important to understand that deleting your wallet can result in the loss of your crypto assets and transaction history. That said, you can always restore your wallet using the Restore Wallet option just above it. You can restore via an iCloud backup, a QR code, or, most importantly, your secret recovery phrase, which is the most reliable method. As long as you've stored your secret phrase safely, you'll always be able to recover your wallet. Still, I recommend transferring your crypto to another wallet or platform before deleting, to ensure your assets remain secure. Currently, there's no standard logout option in Exodus, so deleting your wallet is the only way to effectively log out. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, consider subscribing.